Welcome back to the Soil Alphabet series. Today we're going to be talking about the letter Q for questions. There are not a lot of soil terms that begin with Q. There's a couple, but there weren't any that I really felt that I could expand upon right now. So I wanted to answer one of the most common questions that I get, and that is, what is the best? Insert it here. And here's my answer. It depends. Different things work in different climates and in different growing conditions, whether you have raised beds or are growing in the ground, if you're growing in zone 5 or growing in zone 9. Every single one of these situations has something that works better for each thing. For me here in Arizona in zone 9, I need a lot more coconut coir and things to retain moisture because of our heat. But if you're in zone 5 or zone 6, you may not need as much. Maybe this particular brand of organic insecticide isn't going to be as helpful as something else. Everything depends on the situation, how you're growing, and where you're growing. Which is one of the cool things about soil and gardening, because there are so many gray areas, it gives you room to expand and be creative. Now, there are going to be things that are going to be absolute certainties, like no matter what, you do not want to apply too much nitrogen to the soil. But again, the amount of nitrogen you need is going to depend on what you're growing and how you're growing. So when it comes to questions, put any question that you want into the comment section and I'm happy to answer. But just know that I can't answer everything because this really is situational dependent. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next letter in the series where we begin with the letter R.